ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯍꯨꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯣꯝ ꯂꯣꯂꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ 11 ꯑꯃꯗꯤ 12 ꯀꯤ education subject ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯇꯥꯛꯆꯒꯅꯤ Hello everyone, my name is Huidrom Lolini. Nice to meet you once again. Ngasigi topic ase class 11 ki unit number 6 ki elementary education in India and in Manipur haiba unit asigi subtopic Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan and RTE Act 2009 haiba sigi matang dani ahan badai khana Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan se naina duna yengsi Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan haise after independence ta India gi yam biggest national plan amani for especially for primary education and this Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan is the comprehensive and integrated flagship program of the government of India. This Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan aim to attain universal elementary education in the country in a mission mode. Universal elementary education habdi UEE haba angang khudikmak larik khaihanba ko elementary education se free of cost piba haba adugumba education do adugi goal se si phangnana bagidamakta government of India na launch tawba adugumba mission mode launch tawba adugumba program amakhani scheme amakhani habani and this Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan has been launched by Atal Bihari Vajpayee government in the year 2001 and in this Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan there is partnership between the state government and the central government. Only say the education ki responsibility say state government khangna taba center amadi state government sponsor tawakanda India da angang khudingmak elementary education se free of cost ta phanghanna bagidamakta government of India na hongdokhiba adugumba yam integrated oiba comprehensive oiba flagship program amani habani and this Sarva Shiksha education provide free education to all children kana danu mangana free education pi doise Sarva Shiksha sina this is elementary education for 6 to 14 years of age angang sahi children for those children who belong to 6 to 14 years phok the laiba angang khudingmakta mass education universal education pibasne but sigi Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan sigi plan sigi maru oiba objectives ko and it focus to improve enrollment retention and quality of education to enable to achieve great and eliminate gender differences and gap between different social categories habadi sigi Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan haiba sidaida kaino hakanda sina pidoise enrollment every child within this 6 to 14 years the labor every child khudingmak se school da enroll toba admission toba and then retain toba from elementary education se low power complete oid power retain toba and also quality based education be basni and there is also no discrimination on any factors maybe social category do be that means caste khanaba religion khanaba language khanaba na singba lairiba differences sing se laitabi aduga men and female khanaba sugumba discrimination amda yaudana mass education piba habasni and this Abhiyan is geared up in the country in 2002 dagi dimasigi scheme se kuna thabak tawba hore ko effect tawba hore with the objectives masigi specific objectives sing khar loinai masigi Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan haisika adiga objectives sing do amta yengsi number 1 all children in the school will be covered by the year 2003 habiti 2002 sidagi haura akanda thabak se haura akanda 2003 si phawba sidaida ang khudingmak se without any kaino se yaudan discrimination yaudana any caste any religion da any place da laiba angang khudingmak se school da enroll tahonba habasni 2003 sida and next objective is all children will complete 5 years of primary education by 2007 aduna 2007 study angang khudingmak se primary education class 1 dagina 5 pak se complete ohenba haiba objective sima and next objective is all children will complete 8 years of elementary education in a school by 2010 dadi class 8 phawba class 1 dagina 8 phawba se pra complete loiraba without any break yaudana complete loiraba angang ngakta ohenba haiba objective sima And next objective is social and sex discrimination in primary and elementary education will be removed by the year 2010. Aduna 2010 si phawba sidadi ngasagi akhoi society gi tongan ba factors sing habadi khetnaba mayam se laitaba discrimination laitana 2010 dadi discrimination se amata laitana angang khuding mak sa elementary education phanghan ba haiba maru objective sing sne ba. And last one objective is universal retention of children in school will be made possible by 2010. Adudi akhoi society sida leiramba Indian society da leiramba akhoi retention Indian society da leiramba akhoi lairik haitaba illiteracy gi kaino se 6 to 14 years da leba illiteracy se pura remove tawra kanda akhoi elementary education se 2010 sidai da mipum khuding mak elementary education phanganba angang khuding mak elementary education phanganba elementary education sidaida complete tawhanba without any break yaudana ngamba haiba objectives ne. There is also aims of Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan which is given by Ministry of Human Resource Development. Sai sidaida aikoina Human Resource Development apiba Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan sigi some aim khara alai madu amuk naina duna yengse. Number 1 aim to provide useful and relevant education of the age group of 6 to 14 years within 2010. 2010 phawbada yamna quality laiba aduga useful oiba togan ba life skill minimum skill hengat hanba livelihood ki phangdaba yadaba skill lehanba knowledge experience lehanba dugumba education ama pibani Canada 6 to 14 years phawta leiba angang sing sida 2010 phawba sigi manung sidaida adugumba education ama pibasni number 1 aim se. Next aim is to remove the social regional and the sex differences through active participation of community people in school management. Sidadi ani sube aim sidadi not only removal of social and regional and sex differences and sidadi akoina community people sing local authorities sing self government sing sisu is a part of imparting education mi mayam sisu education pinabagi damta punna sangsiminaba adugumba aim amani. And next is to make children learn about their natural environment and to master over them. Natural environment is important. This is life-giving environment ne aduna next aim si kaino hakanda angang sings da khoi natural environment se mayak sengna khangana ba education se pibas ne. Next aim is to make full utilization of human potential both materially and spiritually. That here human potential means akoigi innate oiba capabilities mayam sini. That means sigi amsina hai said to develop child's innate potentialities for kaidona ba to meet the needs of life and also to develop the spirituality development sing che purakna bagi damakta ngasai Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan sina aim toise ahan bada kaino hai kanda human potential angang amagi lejariba innate oiba magi capabilities potentials powers mayam dune. And last aim is to develop value based learning in children. Value based learning means yam quality laiba aduga yamna important oiba yam useful oiba adugumba learning ama develop tohonba dunia ba Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan haise. And now let us discuss about the characteristics of Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan. Number 1 characteristics. It is a program with a clear time frame for universal education. This means aikoina khange aims and objectives ta khange. Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan has said within 2010 phaugi manung sidaida aikoina India da mass education mass ba mepum khuding mak lairik hen ba haiba sugumba movement amani habase aduna sigi 2010 box sidaida angang khuding mak mayak chalhan ba literate oihanba adugumba program amani haibani sidaida hariba characteristics say. And number 2, it involves the community people at the levels in making the mission a people's movement khoina khange sarva shiksha abhijan hairiba khoigi scheme se si program sidaida community people sing local people sing parents sing guardians sing local authorities sing and then panchayat ras kumba aduguma tongan ba local gi level da laiba or district level da laiba adugumba people sing se siga loina na samina ba adugumba kaino amane ba scheme amane ba. And next characteristics is there is decentralization of power of education and administration. Here decentralization haide kaino more responsibility or the responsibility in the administration is entrusted to the local authorities or the district or the local people tongan ba local gi people sing district sing the laiba official sing and authorities sing the so it responsibility sinna ba dugumba kaino sineba administration mong sini decentralization haise aduna education piba the primary elementary education sidaida ngasai gi SSA gi makha haibadi sarva shiksha abhijan sigi makha sida piriba education sidaida local people sing maybe panchayat ras oiba yai administrative body local gi oiba yai or management committee oiba yai local gi adagi district ki official sing organizers sing mayam siga punna responsibility longmina ba adugumba administration makhalama ne habane sigi decentralization haise. And next is, it tries to develop the spirit of partnership of the central, state and local administration in regards to primary education. So not only the local people sing khatanatana state and central government and state government galoinya nangasagi responsibilities along havani. Next is, it gives special emphasis to education to women, ST, HE, physically and mentally handicapped and the people living below the poverty line. So facilities se akoi tongan ba section of people sidani kana no hakanda women or girls sign sing the su and ST and SC aduga remote area da laiba backward area da laiba aduga disadvantaged group like physically and mentally handicapped oiba disabled oiba aduguma angang sing sida su sigi ilarik tamhanbagi mayak salhanbagi adugungibagi facilities sing adune. And next characteristics is it gave equal importance to development of quality as well as quantity of primary education. Sina piri se sigi facilities sing ase kaino hakanda not only the quantity haidi loina bak angang khuding mak masing yam graba angang mayam si loina like tamhanba like tambagi khudong saba phanghanba si khakta natana it also based on quality, that means value laiba yamna life ki skill mayam ama khanghanba adugumba makhal ki education ama piba sinebas sida yauriba as sarva shiksha abhijan sigi makhada yauriba tongan ba kaino mai features mayam se. And last characteristics it encourages modern child centric method of teaching such as joyful learning through observation and innovation havne hadi kuna child centric method habadi angang sigi interest niche da and nature da based the method of teaching havne aduna amasidadi joyful learning angang sing se yamna play way oiba aduga yamna active participation leba aduga method sing se best of adugumba scheme amani. And now let us discuss about the components of Sarva Shiksha Abhijan. First component is preparatory activities for micro planning. Here micro planning means planning at the grassroots level, and also household surveys, studies, community mobilization, school-based activities, training and orientation at all levels. So first component is the yauriba micro planning household survey has a tongan ba angang sing gi level du da my education gi level du da lady ba khang ba ba knowledge se hadi community based the locally available materials sing su da training pi ba school da tongan ba activity to hon ba na sing asini. And next component is opening new primary schools and alternative schools. Ano ba primary schools mayam linkhat pa havani SSA or Sarva Shiksha Abhijan sigi scheme sigi makhada laiba components se not only school natraga alternative schools hai alternative schools like EGS or AIE है EGS हाइबदी Education Guarantee Scheme and AIE हाइबना Alternative and the Innovative Education हाइबनी हाइरिबा scheme school or alternative school sing as it is specially for drop out children ko school akogi out of school children that sing sigini school tamba phangraba education फंगबगी खुदुंग चाहब लेट्रबा अंगांगसिंग हाइबा अंगांगसिंग सिदी वर्किंग चिल्ड्रन गुम्बा गर्ल्स गुम्बा अदुगा याम बैकवर्ड एरिया दा लेबा बैकवर्ड चिल्ड्रन सिंग and also repeaters for example repeaters हाइबदी अखोगी stagnant ओइबसिंग से हाइबदी क्लास अमदा अखोई अदुम हंजन हंजन तमगा लेरबा अदुगुम्बा अंगांगसिंग repeaters or stagnant सिंग से अदुगी लाइक तंबा फंगनबगी दमता लिंखपा स्कूल सिंग EGS and AIE हाइसे को सी लिंखपगी program ama. And next component is construction of school building, construction of additional classroom, repairing of the school building. Sigi makhada anauba school sing saba school building anauba saba matang up to date oiba, and then additional classroom already lairaba school sing to the additional oiba classroom saba, and then also repairing time to time repairing oibagi components thing. And next component is free textbook to all girls, SC, ST and children. Nupi masa sing amadi girls, nupi masa sing amadi ST, SC students sing the magta free textbooks. Nothing supply to the components there. And next component is grant aid. Grant aid have any financial assistance financial assistance to the schools for the course of education. Education the sangba chenpam sing sige the makta government grant aid financial assistance karapiba have. And next is research, evaluation, supervision and monitoring. Research in relation to the elementary education. Evaluation, that means assessment of the educational problems and assessment in relation to the problems and difficulties and the achievements of this primary or elementary education, and supervision and monitoring the inspection, direction and guidance. All these things is another component of this Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan. And next component is setting up of CMET. CMET means State Institute of Education and Management and Training. This is an autonomous institution and also one of the wing of SCERT. CMET has it is mainly for research work or for imparting training in relation to the educational planning and management. Mari lenyana work tawgadaba adugumba kaino amaneba wing amakhang SCERT. And last component is setting up of BRCs and CRCs. BRC means Block Resource Centers and CRC means Cluster Resource Center. See, this is also the educational activities things that the support taunaba ko adagi amu guidance pinaba kanada teacher da or school da teacher and school sing duga punna work taung minana ba block level da or semba adugumba kaino Masa institution masa maneba aduna block level da haragadi 100 village kumbagi manungda monitor toba advise toba instructor toba and then supervise tawnabagi damukta tongan tongamba kaino khara mafam kudinda semba adugumba institution amane. And CRC haragana within 8 to 10 schools kumbagi punzhalakanda punna direction piba and in relation to the education, in relation to the school ko adugumbagi thabak sing se punna tawminana ba school gi primary education pibagi wider supply or research or training pibana sing ba sing sidaida punna work tawminana ba semba adugumba institution sing sineba aduna. This is also components of this Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan. Next topic is RTE Act 2009. RTE have a say right to education habani. This act, RTE Act, is enacted by the Parliament of India on 4 August 2009. The RTE Act represents the consequential legislation envisaged under Article 21A, means that every child has a right to full-time elementary education of satisfactory and equitable quality in a formal school which satisfies certain essential norms and standards. Habadi RTE habase khoina article 21A haba ma khange article 21A da hairi di kaino hakanda 6 to 14 years the laiba every child se free and compulsory education elementary education se pigadabani havani and after this article 21 se the Indian constitution Supreme Court na kwa this should be the fundamental right of every child harna hairko adugi article 21A gi fundamental right oiriba elementary education sa sibu ek oina puthokpas puthoi adugi ek tubune beside RTE Act na hairise ko and this article 21A and the RTE Act came into effect on 1st April 2010 dagi di masi satna ba hauna ba akhoi gi kaino sina constitution lauthoe and dagi India se 135 countries among the world gi 135 countries dagi manung da zalle fundamental right of primary or elementary education se angang amagi fundamental right oi hairiba 135 countries sigi manung da India so ama oire eba. This act is also known as Right of General to Free and Compulsory Act 2009. So when you khangna sigi act se RTE Act se right to free and compulsory right of general to free and compulsory education act 2009 and khangna re adu sigi manung da kari provisions sing yauri kari elementary education gi maram da kari act oina satna ga da ba se lautho I have the khoi hujig yang see here the topic provisions or features of RTE Act 2009. Number 1, right of general to free and compulsory education till completion of elementary education in a neighborhood school. Angang amasi neighborhood school amada free compulsory elementary education phangwa habasi first priority first provision oire basi right to education act 2009 sada saida paliba free education means obligation of the appropriate government to provide free elementary education, ensure compulsory admission, attendance and completion of elementary education of every child in the year 6 to 14 years. Habadi free compulsory education habadi angang khuding makta government sina ko free oiba admission free elementary education je free oiba compulsory oiba ko and compulsory oide se kaino ha kanda admission surely admit tagodaba angang se school lamada admission tagodaba kadai da neighborhood school lam anak school lamada angang se soidamaki admission tauba and attendance regularly attend tauba and till 16 years elementary education to see class 8 ani h loidi phawada adum continuously without any break mase complete piba haiba meaning inside compulsory education has say and here free means muyang say free habasna karino that free means no child shall be liable to pay any kind of fee or charges or expenses which may prevent him or her from pursuing and completing elementary education. Habadi angang sna school da tamise free of cost tangadani paicha mata tingdana paicha mata pidana magi primary education sa or elementary education sa complete ohengadawani habani. And this free and compulsory education se kana da supiga hagada also provided general belonging to disadvantaged group. Disadvantaged groups is the superior. Adu the disadvantaged group hai se kana bano. General belonging to SC and ST. SC ST gis manung dalai riba general singduni and also socially backward classes that is economically poor adagi transportation ungaita ba backward oiraba mayam de khara swathara ba haibani ko and geographically linguistic ki gender gina best out kind of backward where angang sing and also physically disabled sing id haksang gi phibam soinai ba maybe khoigi khong tek pa khangde mit tang ba khangde moi tonghan ba disabled category sing six da su sai gi free and compulsory education hai se pi gi da bani haidna RTE gi provisions de yauri ba. And next the muyanga say next provision say norms and the standard for school. RTE Act na school amagi norms and standards te kamaine haige hakanda koi feature khari si ahan bada no school to be established without obtaining certificate of recognition haibadi school amata recognition certificate haiba se phangdana recognition certificate haidi government na recognize the school se tawro haidana recognize tawba ayaba piraba adugumba certificate laitaba school singse tawba ya they have ne ko and where a school established before the commencement of this act does not fulfill this norm, it shall take steps to fulfill within a period of 3 years from the date of such commencement. Habadi sigi act say RTE Act 2009 sigi mamangda without this norms yaudana function tawleraba school singse school singsi within 3 years act say pass tawraba matung 3 years ki manungda haiba norms se fulfill thawnaba hotnagadabni haba. And next is, no child shall be denied admission in a school for lack of age proof. Age proof habadi akhona birth certificate kumba akhoi magi masagi chahi si sui natraga sude habagi certificate jaude hadne admission se tawhan ba yahandaba se this is prohibited strictly in this RTE Act in high. And next provision is no capitation fee is allowed. Capitation fee any kind of donation or contribution or payment other than the fee notified by the school. School any kind of fee expenditure mayam say asi low doboni have any see RTE Act illegal oi have. And next is no admission test or interview either for child and parents. At the time of admission, there is no entrance test. Entrance test gumba screening gumba satra sing se sigi kenyo se RTE Act sigi against the neba aduna admission da entrance or screening se asise ya they have an RTE Act da hai se. And next is no child can be held back, expelled and required to pass the board examination till the completion of elementary education. Habadi elementary education class 1 dagi 8 fawbada tamiba ki manungs daida angang se khogi expel tobagumba from for any ground up for any factors da ma se school dagi tan thokhibagumba aduga parikha se hanjan class hanjal hanbagumba and then also parikha se pass to handa ba fail hanbagumba se it is also illegal oi habane masi RTE Act na ya they habane. And next provision is prohibition of physical punishment and mental harassment to child. And in maintaining the discipline maintain tobagi maungda natraga any kind of punishment or heavy punishment or any kind of punishment or mental harassment is strictly prohibited. It is illegal. And next is all schools except private unaided school are to be managed by the school management committee. Private school nataba aided amadi government school singse kanana run to tagadage manage togadage hakanda school management committee am legadabneba high school management committee sida 75% se parents and the guardians oigadabani members se kana yaudage parents guardians school sida and local member singba singse yauba dugumba school committee amana school se function tobada yamna solve responsibility lohangadabni hai. And next is 25% reservation for disadvantaged section of society through random selection process. In the time of admission, 25% of reservation se sitche disadvantaged group because high disadvantaged group high SC, ST, girls and backwards mayam and physically challenged people mayam si record. And next provision is there is provision for establishment of commissions to monitor and supervise the implementation of the Act. And say the implement of the access school amada implement of the yangsinanaba commission samba ko member kharana saba commission or committee samba gi kenu amasu yauri ba provision amasu yauri ba sigi Act data. Next features yang say this is about terms and conditions of service of teachers. Service teachers sing se kamai ta gada ge teacher gi my service ki terms and conditions sing si maram deng say first one is this act recommend quality teachers and mandates the untrained teachers will have to be upgrade themselves in 5 years. Habadi sigi act na pami se untrained trained teachers sing and quality teachers sing aduna hana leiramiba before this x gi mamang da leiramiba hana in service oiraba oja sing sa kai to badakar lege ha kana training to badakar lai teachers ki eligibility training sa pass to badakar lai within 5 years ki manung sidai si mama gi qualification sa update to bodo ne haba and not only this oja sing sa train to ba anauba loba sing da su train to ba adu quality teachers sing sa moina recommend to we ba sigi x na and next is prohibition of deployment of teachers for non-educational purposes. For example, oja sing sidaida piriba duties se academic oiba educational activities nataba some other official gi khangde and then census gi khangde tongan ba activities mayam se engage to ba this is strictly prohibited. And next provision is prohibition of private tuition by the teachers. Private tuition se sima strictly prohibited tawbagi provisions amasu yauri RTE Act sina under terms and conditions of teachers sida. And next provision si kaino features si kaino hakana regarding the norms and the standards relating to pupil teacher ratio, that is PTR height pupil teacher ratio si maramda ratio si maramda yangasi for class 1 to 5 ki levels daida pupil teacher ratio se ke anu hakada up to 60 children level matamda 2 teachers is required, that is pupil teacher ratio se 30:1 way. And from 61 to 90 children level matamda na 3 teachers, here also 30:1 se pupil teacher ratio. And from 91 to 120 children level matamda di kai oraga hakanda di here also 4 teachers, that is here also pupil teacher ratio says the 30:1 neba. And above 150 children se sidana 5 teacher learning plus 1 head teacher sina aduna hasinta isi for class 1 dagina 5 hours sidadi 30:1 haiba pupil teacher ratio sini aduga above 100 la aba and 150 phawgi manung natraga above sidadi 4 teachers plus 1 head teachers amaga require lai habasni. And for class 6 to 8 sidana at least 1 teacher per class for its subjects like science, mathematics, social studies, language. Subject amamangi oja amamam haibanis da haise student nataba sidana subject wise subject amagi tongan subject sinjigi oja amamam require lai habane. And at least 1 teacher for 35 students. 35 students siga 1 teacher amaga, that means 35:1. That is pupil teacher ratio say. If there are more than 100 children lere 100 children lere aga di tongan bu aja kharamu requirements lere moi chingi di a full time head teacher say more than class 6 tagina 8 paus da more than 100 teachers later di full time head teacher kar lenga sai 35:1 dugi mathakta full time head teacher is required. And also a part time instructor for art education, health and physical education, and work education. Next time we are say minimum number of working days and instructional hours in an academic year. Sahi madalay gadaba ko class wise dalay gadaba working days and instructional hours sikayano hakanta for class 1 to 5 they dalay gadaba working days they 200 working days. This is according to this RTE Act 2009. And 800 instructional hours amagalay neba class 1 denya 5 hokta. And for class 6 to 8 denya instructional days say 220 instructional working days lene and 1000 instructional hours lene. That's all for today. Meet you on next day with new lessons.